What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick review of Huawei's latest flagship TWS earphones called FreeBuds Pro. We will talk about all of its pros, cons, design, features, performance and the audio quality. So here we go. Inside the retail box, you will find the charging case along with the FreeBuds Pro earbuds, additional silicone tips, warranty card and a USB Type-C cable. Talking about the design, it comes with a cubic iconic design, so it is slightly different compared to other earphones as we got sharp edges and rectangular design instead of curved edges that we see on most of the earphones. FreeBuds Pro is very small in size, it's lightweight, the silicone tips provide nice grip and the passive noise cancellation, and on the exterior part you will find lots of sensors that perform different tasks on this earphone. The biggest change in terms of gesture control on FreeBuds Pro is that instead of the tap gesture, it works on the pinch gesture. And since it is a new gesture and also the effective area on the body of FreeBuds Pro is very small to perform this task, it's really frustrating in the beginning to make these pinch gesture work, as to find the sweet spot where to apply the pinch is going to take lots of time for sure. Talking about the charging case, it comes with a similar glossy looking charging case with a USB port, a multifunction key, and the charging case is compatible with Qi wireless charging. The magnet in the wireless charging case is very strong and the multifunction key is nearly hidden, at least on the black model we got here. It can charge the FreeBuds Pro from 0% to 100% in nearly 20 minutes, and you can use this charging case to charge the FreeBuds Pro nearly 4 times. Now talking about the audio quality, this is where the performance of Huawei FreeBuds Pro is really remarkable. It comes with 11mm drivers and the audio quality is rich and crisp. We get good amount of bass along with the mids and lows, and also the voice clarity is nice. So it does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will enjoy it on FreeBuds Pro for sure. One of the most highlighted feature of Huawei FreeBuds Pro is the active noise cancellation, and we got multiple levels and types of ANC on FreeBuds Pro. But to use this feature properly, you will have to use the Huawei's AI Live application. Once your FreeBuds Pro is connected with the AI Live app, you can perform multiple tasks like updating the software, practicing the gesture controls, and selecting the type and intensity of the active noise cancellation. So other than using the pinch gesture on FreeBuds Pro to activate or turn off the active noise cancellation, you can also perform the same task from the AI Live application. Once you select the noise cancellation, it will provide you more options that what kind of noise cancellation you can use. So we got cozy, general and ultra, and if you select dynamic, then based on the ambient noise, FreeBuds Pro will automatically switch between these ANC level to provide you a better listening experience. If you turn on the awareness mode, then the microphones will grasp and enhance the ambient sound to provide you a better idea of what's happening around you. And if you select the enhanced voices, then it will increase the sound of voice coming to the microphone. So using this feature, you can talk to someone without even removing your FreeBuds Pro and stop listening music. In terms of noise cancellation quality, FreeBuds Pro is a winner here. It provides as high as 40 dB noise cancellation, and the dynamic noise cancellation is really a cherry on the top. If you go to shortcuts, then you can see the actions that you can perform using the pinch once, pinch and hold and swipe. The pinch once, pinch twice and pinch 3 times are fixed and you cannot make any changes. Same goes with the swipe that you can use for adjusting the volume. Under the pinch and hold, you can select either to switch between the noise cancellation or turning on the voice assistant of your smartphone. If you select the noise cancellation, then once again you will get the option that which noise cancellation modes you would like to cycle through once you pinch and hold your FreeBuds Pro. You can also enable and disable the smart wear detection, and this feature works perfectly on FreeBuds Pro every single time. Another very smart, useful and interesting feature is tip fit test. As the name suggests, it helps in selecting which silicone tip is most suitable for your ears to perform better sound quality and noise cancellation. Now talking about the battery life, it is quite impressive as well. In one single charge, FreeBuds Pro can provide nearly 6 hours of battery life with ANC turned on medium volume. And when the battery goes down, you can quickly charge it with the wireless charging case. And if the battery of charging case is down and you are on the go, you can even use your smartphone with reverse wireless charging capability to charge the case and the FreeBuds Pro earphones. It comes with 3 microphones that provide great audio quality while making voice calls, and it also contributes in reducing the wind noise and ambient noise while making voice calls. It comes with a bone conduction sensor, so once you start talking, it will detect the vibrations because of you speaking to make your audio clear and crisp in any environment. The latency on FreeBuds Pro is quite low, so you can use it for playing games or watching videos or movies on your devices without facing any lag or issue. In terms of connectivity, FreeBuds Pro comes with dual device connection, so you can connect it with 2 devices at the very same time, and you can switch the audio output from one device to another device without losing any moment. Overall, Huawei FreeBuds Pro is a great earbuds. The audio quality is nice, the ANC is of top notch, the battery life is great, and the design is quite unique as well. The only drawback is that the newly introduced pinch gesture are a bit hard to use. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.